Hey pharmacist, if becoming a licensed pharmacist in the United States is your dream, then you are in exactly the right place, because in the next 3 minutes I am going to give you the complete step-by-step roadmap to getting your USA pharmacy license in 2026. From the day one all the way to the finish line. No fluff, no confusion, just clarity. So stay with me because there are some critical 2026 deadline updates that you absolutely cannot miss. Let's start at the very beginning. Before you can even think about taking any US pharmacy exam, you need something called FPGEC certification issued by the National Association of Board of Pharmacy, or NABP. Think of this as your entry ticket in the US pharmacy licensing system. To get it, you need three things. Number one, your pharmacy degree. If you graduated on or after Jan 2003, you need a minimum 5 years pharmacy degree program. If you graduated before that date, a 4-year degree is acceptable. Number two, unrestricted pharmacy license from the country where you studied. And number three, your TOEFL IBT score. Here is a big 2026 update you must know. TOEFL score has changed. For any exam taken on or after Jan 21st, 2026, the new minimum score are reading 4, listening 5, writing 4.5, speaking 5. The old scale is gone. Make sure you are preparing for the new one. Once NABP accept your FPGEC application and your TOEFL score are approved, you are now eligible for FPGEE. That stands for Foreign Pharmacy Graduates Equivalency Examination. This is a big one. Here are the 2026 updates. Write down. Registrations open May 15, 2026. Registration closes 1st of September 2026. Exam date 15th of October 2026. Miss the September 1st deadline, you wait another full year. That's how important these dates are. Now it's a 200 question exam, computer based test. You will get 4.5 hours to answer questions with a total sitting time of 5.5 hours. The content covers 4 major science areas: biomedical, pharmaceutical, behavioral and clinical sciences. The passing score is 75 on a scaled score, and remember, you got a maximum of 5 lifetime attempts, so walk in prepared. Congratulations, you passed the FPGEE. You now hold the FPGEC certificate, but your journey is not over yet. Next comes your pharmacy internship. You need to complete between 1000 to 1500 supervised hours as a registered pharmacy intern. The exact number depends upon the state in which you are planning to work. Here is what you need to do. Apply to the State Board of Pharmacy in your target state, get your intern license, and then start lodging those hours. This stage is not just a formality, it's where you build real-world, hand-on patient care experience. And that experience directly prepare you for what's coming next. And now the final boss, the NAPLEX. NAPLEX stands for the North American Pharmacist Licensure Examination. It is the gold standard exam that every single pharmacist in America must pass. This is what you are looking at. 225 questions, 6 hours, all computer based, and of those 225 questions, 200 are scored and the remaining 25 are experimental. Don't count towards your result. The passing score is 75. Alongside the NAPLEX, most states require the MPJE, the Multi-State Pharmacy Jurisprudence Exam, which tests you on both federal and state pharmacy law. If you plan to practice in California, you have an additional exam, the CPJE, the California Practice Standards and Jurisprudence Examination. California plays by its own rule. Clear all of these, you are officially a licensed pharmacist in the United States of America. So let's do a quick recap of the full roadmap. Step 1. Get one FPGEC certification, show your degree, your foreign license and your TOEFL score. Step number 2. Clear the FPGEE. Register before September 1st. Exam is on 15th of October. And step 3. Complete your internship hours. Step number 4. Pass the NAPLEX and MPJE and CPJE if you are planning for California. That's a roadmap. If you find this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe, because we break down every one of these exams in detail right here on this channel. Drop your question in the comment box. Which step are you currently on? I read every single one. You have got this. Your USA pharmacy dream is absolutely within reach. And if you are interested in knowing about the Australia and New Zealand pathway, You can check out these videos on the screen for better understanding. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.